Welcome to Mori Midori, and I'm Emerald Moon. So, I decided to create this channel because I am a big fan of J-Rock and I really want to know what they're singing about. But I'm on episode 0 in Japanese, can I say like that? Sorry for my English. I really want to study it. So, it's a kind of a challenge for me to create this channel, especially English speaking channel, because I realized that I can forget all what I have studied at university and I need to practice. That's why it's an English speaking channel. And I also want to learn Japanese. That's why I decided to unite all what I want to do to practice my English and learn Japanese. Now let's talk about kinds of writing in Japanese language. We are going to speak about kanji, for example, because there are two different kinds of writing in Japanese, kanji and two alphabets. And kanji appeared at the 5th century. They borrowed it from the Chinese language. We will talk about it a little bit later, about how to write it, because there are some rules of writing correctly kanjis. And let's talk about two alphabets. There are two kinds of alphabets, hiragana and katakana. Sorry for pronunciation. Hiragana, it is used for traditional words, traditional names, traditional Japanese words, So, and in katakana we write all foreign words, all borrowings from other languages. For example, let's take a word, I don't know, butterfly, yeah? In Japanese, it's called cho-cho, yeah? But also, I've seen an English equivalent of it, butterfly, and butterfly is going to be written in katakana. So, and let's compare these two alphabets. They're absolutely equal. There is no difference in quantity of signs, yeah? So, I didn't mention about signs. The writing is syllabic, so the alphabet is syllabic, and it consists of 46 signs, yeah? There are 9 vowels, 1 consonant, and 36 syllables. Katakana and hiragana, they have the same syllables with the same signs. You write it in two different ways. So there are special signs in katakana and there are some special signs in hiragana. So I will put some pictures here. But then you read these signs, they are the same. So they're equivalents. Now let's compare them. There are 5 main vowels in Japanese language, and in every row, syllabic row, you will notice all that vowels. For example, the first row is a, I, U, E, O. The next group of syllables is started from K. Yeah, so ka, the syllable ka. So ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Then sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Then goes ya, you, yo. Then ra, ri, ru, re, ro. then goes wa, o, and n. Yeah, the last sign is consonant n. So, and in these two alphabets, and in hiragana and in katakana, they are the same, but just different signs. You write all these syllables in different ways, but they are the same in reading. So next time we are going to speak about an alphabet a little bit closely, and also we will talk about transcription. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.